Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So here we've got the Seac Vortex Dry Snorkel. So this snorkel has two dry valves, one at the top and one at the bottom, which means it's going to keep as much water as possible away from your airway so it's always clear and you can always breathe. So if we take a closer look, starting up at the top, you have a pretty comprehensive wave deflector all over the top and the opening. So even if a wave splashes over, it's going to be very hard for any water to actually get up into that airway. But as you can see, just in here, we have a little float. So this float, as you go under the water, if you're duck diving and you snorkel under the water, that float is going to rise up. And that's actually going to block the top of the snorkel so that water isn't going to get in. That way, when you come back up, you don't have to clear the snorkel, it's already full of air. Moving down the snorkel, the main body of the snorkel is round and it's also rigid, so that's always going to keep your airway open. You have a very funky little snorkel clip on that that can move up and down. You can even remove that if you want to. And this clips onto the left-hand side of your mast strap. And as you can see, you've got a little button at the top, push on that, and that just opens it up. So it's very quick and easy. You don't have to re-thread your mast strap, just thread it over and then push it into position. When you want to take it off, just push on that button and that will release it. So very quick and easy. Moving down to the corrugated section, so just below the clip you have a corrugated section. This is soft silicone and it's shaped like an oval, so it's a little flat against your cheek. This gives you lots of range of motion, so it's very comfortable, and if you're using this whilst you're scuba diving, especially when you're not using your snorkel, it naturally falls away so you have space for your regulator. Moving down to the mouthpiece, same silicone, very soft and very comfortable. You've got a decent sized mouth bite on that, so you can sort of use this for hours on end. And then down at the bottom, you have a water trap and a one-way purge valve. So if any water does make its way into the snorkel, it'll get trapped down here away from your mouth, so you can still get an airway through there. You can breathe past it, and every time you breathe out through the snorkel, it's going to push any water outside, so clearing your snorkel. So a dry snorkel is going to keep all of the water out of the snorkel, so you always get a clean breath. This is the Seac Vortex Dry Snorkel. Thanks for watching and safe diving.